This is the Banker's Box multi-pack of small boxes, and they measure 10 inches by 12 inches by 15 inches. And they're also very strong and durable, and also made in the USA. It also is a tape-free construction, so all you have to do is fold it to assemble it. Super simple. You can also disassemble it and unfold it and reuse it time and time again. The best feature is this lift-off lid, because it's easy just to take off the lid over and over again, and that way you don't have to tape it up. Super simple to do. And also, it has handles on either side, so you're able to pick it up and move it from room to room. And if you're using this for moving, what's ideal is they even have an area that you can write the contents of the box. And if it belongs in the kitchen, the garage, your master bedroom, bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and so forth. It even has an area to put if it's fragile or not. How cool is that? And this is also very durable and strong too, and I just love it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.